Nestled at the end of Shelter Island in San Diego is a place called the Bali Hai, which features prominently this dude right here. Today on the show, we're gonna make a cocktail called the Mr. Bali Hai. My name is Spike, and on my other channel, I've made over 200 cocktails right here in my home tiki bar, the Breezeway. On that channel, we've done interviews, we've gone to home tiki bars, and we've toured some of the most incredible commercial tiki bars across the country. But right here on this channel, it's all about the recipes. Welcome to Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Tiki Cocktails with Spike.
Glad to have you here. This is one of the cocktails that I love making this drink. I've recently been to the Bali Hai, and I don't know what happened between the 1960s and 2025, but they have lost the recipe to Mr. Bali Hai, I guess.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let me add a little bit of context to that statement. This is the modern menu with a modern recipe. You can see that it uses light rum, blackberry brandy, pineapple juice, sweet and sour syrup, and 151. Now, if you look at the Total Tiki app from Beachbum Berry, where he mentions the 1960 recipe, you can see that the ingredients are absolutely, totally different and much, much better. So my question to the Bali Hai is, what the hell happened?
I just don't even know what to say. And I love the Bali Hai. If you're ever in San Diego, there's a bunch of great tiki bars, but the one that you have to see no matter what is the Bali Hai. And I say the same thing about San Francisco. There's a lot of incredible tiki bars in San Francisco, but you have to go to the Tonga Room because it's been there since the 40s. So it's one of those places that if you appreciate the history of tiki, the lineage of cocktails, then you have to go to these places. And they should be number one on your list. Okay, so the Mr. Bali Hai is a cocktail that involves coffee liqueur. So I'm very excited to make this cocktail. And of course, at the end, I will let you know if I ordered this at the Bali Hai and it was made like this, would I order it again? To make this cocktail, we're gonna start with 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice into a shaker tin, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Now, 3/4 ounce of a coffee liqueur. They do recommend Kahlua, but I like Mr. Black much better than that. It's a little more rich in the coffee flavors and a little less syrupy, a little less sugary. Coffee. We're gonna do 1 ounce of light rum and 1.5 ounces of dark rum. I'm gonna be using Appleton, 12. Fancy cocktail demands a fancy rum. Oof, that's so good. Recently, I had brunch with my buddy Jared at the Bali Hai. Not just like him and me together, like it was a multitude of people. It was a good time, but it was the first time he had ever been to the Bali Hai. So you know what? I'm gonna make 2 of these things, and then at the end, we're gonna see if Jared ordered this at the Bali Hai. Also, would he order it again? So we'll bring on Jared at the end. Okay, before we do that, I wanna invite you to Spike's Breezeway Getaway in Palm Springs, January 23rd through the 26th, 2026. It's gonna be a music festival, a tiki festival. It is on the grounds of the historic Caliente Tropics Hotel. I invite you, I invite your friends, some great music, pool time. January is in season for Palm Springs. If you are in the great Northwest, Northeast, wherever it's cold, come to Palm Springs, hang out with us. You can fly right into Palm Springs and then you're right there. So, plus there are 3 tiki bars on the same street in Palm Springs, Bootlegger Tiki, The Reef, and the Tonga Hut. So join me in Palm Springs. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And my band's playing, as well as Big Sandy and the Fly Ride Boys, all kinds of other people. So it's gonna be rad, I promise. Now, before we go any further, I wanna do another giveaway for another Tiki Farm mug. Check out this guy right here. It's called the Ghost from 2010. A Tiki Farm. They reissue this one all the time because it does so well. But if you're interested in winning this mug, then share this episode on your social media, on Facebook, and then in the comments below, what should they write?
You never like the words I use. Ghosted? 2010?
See? Comment your favorite scary movie. It's Halloween time. And then just be sure that if you enter this contest, that you check your notifications on YouTube once in a while, because I have given away so many things and nobody's come to collect them. And I go, what are we doing here? So if you're interested in winning this thing, let's go. So we are going to add some ice to the shaker. And you can see the difference between the two Mr. Bali Hais here. This is the modern one. This is the vintage one. The vintage one has a concave bottom to it, whereas the modern one has a flat bottom. And not only that, but the modern one also has this little mural on the back of his head. We're gonna pour this one into the modern Mr. Bali Hai. It is cavernous in there, so you do need a lot of ice. Before we go on to tasting this thing, I'm gonna make another one real quick for editor Jared, and then we're gonna taste them together. Do you like coffee drinks?
Yeah.
This is a good one.
I'm not an espresso martini person though.
I don't really picture you as an espresso martini guy.
Have you ever had an espresso martini?
I think I would probably love that. It's probably delicious.
Are you a coffee guy?
Oh yeah. I drink like 5 cups of coffee every morning. Just black.
Nice.
No fancy anything. Just like my beer. Just want beer. And in the vintage one, open up his head. Just put his little head back on and his head back on. Okay. And from the Bali Hai, in the 1960s, this is Mr. Bali Hai. I'd love to welcome back to the show my buddy editor Jared to taste the Mr. Bali Hais.
All right. Thank you so much.
Editor Jared,
Hello.
you're back.
You have the old one, right? I just don't want to break it.
Oh, yeah, I do.
All right. Cool. Nice.
So you visited the Bali Hai with me.
I
or
did.
We happened to be there at the same time at the same table.
Yes. Yes.
What did you think about the Bali Hai?
I thought it was great. I had a lot of fun. I didn't get this drink. I got a Mai Tai.
Yeah. What did you think of the Mai Tai?
Tastes like gasoline.
Yes. It is the one Mai Tai that is offered with no fruit juice.
You warned me too. I was like, I'm gonna get the Mai Tai. You're like, I'm like, I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, but I also say that about all the drinks at the Bali Hai. Like,
But can you get this glass and drink it in this?
not this recipe,
Okay.
but you can still get the dude, and you can enjoy a horrible drink in a beautiful restaurant.
Did you do this?
What?
At the restaurant? Did you have the drink like this?
Yeah.
At the oh, nice. That's
You
fun.
kind of always have to.
Yeah, that's very
And
cool.
the last time that we were there, my girlfriend Brittany, I got her like the spooky one. There's
Yeah.
like a spooky one for
oh yeah,
the
I saw
creepy
that one.
creeps.
Mhm,
Yeah.
mhm.
Explain the restaurant, like the layout.
It's got stuff.
Very descriptive.
There's things on the walls, and you're like, wow, that's really cool. And then there's one of these guys outside who looks like very annoyed, like someone I would tell a joke to, and this is the face I would get. Yeah, it was cool.
It's a big circular building at the end of Shelter Island. You go in from the bottom floor, you go up some stairs, and then you're met with like all these incredible tikis
I was just gonna say all that.
and a map of the Pacific, and it shows Easter Island. It has a little carving of Easter Island guy, and
It's beautiful.
regardless of all that, we're not here to talk about tiki history. We're here to talk about this drink.
Yes.
Gently bonk their heads together.
Gonk.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yep. I wish I would have had this at brunch. This would have been great brunch tiki drink.
It boggles my mind that the Bali Hai does not make their Mr. Bali Hai like this. It's such a good drink. You get the lemon juice.
Yeah.
It's very like light and acidic, but then you get the coffee,
Yeah.
which like darkens it up, and the coffee is just like,
It's refreshing, but it gets you going too. Like in the morning, you're ready to go.
yeah, it's a good before breakfast drink
Yeah, yeah.
or during breakfast.
Yeah, you have this during brunch, and then
Mhm.
like you're ready to start your day
Yeah,
or take a nap. I don't know.
or probably take a nap,
Yeah.
a very unrestful nap.
Did you have fun at the brunch?
Yeah,
Cool. Great description.
it's very expensive.
Yeah.
Well, you know, like buffets are great. They're kind of a ripoff. You know what you do? You get to the brunch at like 9 a.m.
Yes.
and then you stay till like 1.
Yeah.
Drinking and hanging out, but then by the time it gets to around 1, you're ready for lunch.
Uh-huh. That's a good plan.
That's what you gotta do.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I always just get like, a couple waffles and prime rib and
Right.
then you're like full.
Yeah, and then you're done.
If you went to the Bali Hai and you ordered this drink and it was served like this and blah, blah, blah.
Yes.
I know.
1,000 times, yes. Would you? Of course you would. Don't have to ask.
Can we petition the Bali Hai and say, dude, you have an incredible cocktail.
Yeah.
Why aren't you making it? Again, I love, love, love the Bali Hai. I think it's a miracle that the people who own it have preserved it over these years. They could fully knock that down and put up like condos or whatever.
Yeah.
Thank God they love the building they have, but just get this one drink right.
Do it.
That's all I'm asking.
Please.
Please, for the sanctity of humanity.
But also, still go there. It's still cool. It's still fun.
Oh yeah.